Ikwetera boys ajara mara logwai. Rijaro baga bitandolo telerisa. Rijaro baga bitandolo telerisa. Go 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 elogule. Iye yo we. Iye yo we.
The executive chairman of the Ikwerre local government area, Honorable Engineer Samuel Nwanosike, JP, has dissolved all political appointments as his first tenure winds down. In a 6-minute video broadcast, the council boss thanked Ikwerre people for their support in his first tenure, but promised to do more in his second tenure.
I want to specially thank the great and good people of Ikwerre local government for the opportunity that God used them to give to my team and I via their votes and their prayers. They have given us the opportunity to manage their affairs at the third tier level beginning from 18th of June 2018 until date. As a people that had the opportunity to work for their people, we have done our best. But we believe that our best might not be enough, because government all over the world is bedeviled with two issues: resources and time. And we know that we do not have all the resources as a government at the third tier. So time became an issue. That is why my team and I decided to seek your support for an extension of time by contesting a second time in office, which you generously gave us another opportunity through your votes on the 17th of April that brought us back as those that will manage your resources for a second time in office. But I'm doing this broadcast to appreciate the good people of Ikwerre local government, to appreciate our leader, Chief Barrister Ezebonye Sonwike, CON, Power of Sports of Africa, the pride of the Rivers people, for tutoring us and giving us the opportunity to show what we can do for our people at the third tier level. We want to thank you people. We don't take this opportunity for granted. And so we decided that today we will say thank you. Thank you for believing in our 5-point agenda. Thank you, because this same 5-point agenda is what we're going to administer in the second time when we're sworn in a few weeks from now. We want to say, if we have worked for you 70% in our first time in office, we're going to do more than 90% in the second time in office. So that with the word we know that our first time in office was designed by God, giving us the wisdom to provide deliberate programs and policies that has bettered the life of our people, and have given Ikwerre local government a facelift before the 774 local governments in Nigeria. We want to say thank you. For my colleagues who were the workers and the laborers in this team, what we have achieved without you people? Those who worked as supervisors, those who worked as advisors, those who worked as personal assistants, executive assistants, those who chaired ad hoc committees, those who are chairing standing committees, those who worked in various spheres, whether at the community level or at the local government level, that gave us the support that made us achieve the tremendous results we brought for our people. We cannot appreciate you. We cannot thank you enough. It is God Almighty that will pay you back for this support that you have given to us. Today, because it is a government policy that everything that has a beginning must have an end. I'm painfully declaring and stating clearly that this first time in office, we are winding down. And it will be proper, I say, thank you for all of you who have accepted the appointments ab initio and worked vigorously to make sure that these results are achieved. There is no Wanosike Samuel and his team without you people. You gave your all. I am saying thank you. Thank you to your families for letting you work for us. Thank you for standing against all odds, the threats, intimidation, blackmail, name calling. You never budged. You stood your ground because you believe that we should rewrite our history as a people. As the chairman of Ikwele local government, I want to state here that all political appointees are hereby dissolved from this moment. And all those holding government properties should hand over to the chief of staff with immediate effect. I wish you well in your future endeavors. And we will say clearly, by the grace of God Almighty, a lot of you will have opportunity of serving in our second term in office. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, Kerudom. Box TV News.